Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can change date and time how you can mainly change date on iPhone in iOS 14. So what you want to do is just go to settings and then just click general, and then you're gonna see date and time, and then you have like time zone and 24-hour time that you can change or set automatically. So this is pretty much it, and yeah, I know. Okay. So yeah, thank you very much, everybody. What you can also try to do, guys, is go to screen time, and you can like screen time passcode, but there's like nothing interesting here. So you just go to general and date and time. Thank you very much, everybody. Have a great day and goodbye.